Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Hand Planer. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. WIN Electric Hand Planer. This power planer's 8-amp motor delivers over 32,000 cuts per minute to your workpiece, slicing away any irregularities until the surface of your boards are aligned and smooth. Number 4. Zvariken Electric Hand Planer. This is a 1100W power handheld planer, which can offer 13,000 cuts per minute, with 2 sharpened blades, adjustable planing depth, up to 0.08 inch or 2 millimeters. Really an efficient planer. Ideal for planing hardwood, carpenters, wood carvers, chamfer and etc. Number 3. Dual Hand Planer. Powerful 5.5 amp motor of the electric hand planer provides a smooth, even finish in the hardest of woods. The hand planer, featuring 34,000 cuts per minute, achieves a fast removal rate. Precision machine front and back aluminum shoes ensure parallelism of cut. Number 2. Bosch Woodworking Hand Planer. Weighing only 6.3 pounds, this wood planer provides power and efficiency in a lightweight tool. The aluminum front and rear shoes are precision machined together for accuracy, and the tool has a machine groove for chamfering and sanding. Number 1. HSART Electric Hand Planer. Equipped with 1800W pure copper motor, high temperature resistance, and no burning machine, strong power and high efficiency. This woodworking hand planer allows you to quickly and evenly handle various woodworking projects